Reinforced concrete structures must be designed according to local codes. There are many code-specific parameters already loaded into ARSA. You can calculate the required reinforcement in a reinforced concrete structure according to the applicable code. To calculate and analyze reinforcements for columns, you must define the code parameters first. Before beginning with this procedure, ensure you have already calculated reinforcements for slabs and panels. From the text menu, select Design, Required Reinforcement of RC Beams, Columns Options, Code Parameters. In the RC Member Type dialog, select the New icon to create a new member type definition. In the Member Type Definition dialog, open the Column tab, edit the column name, and then, in the Buckling with Respect to Y-axis group, click the Buckling Length Coefficient icon. From the Buckling Schemes dialog, select the 0.5 icon and then click OK. Then, in the Buckling with Respect to Z-axis group, select the Building Length Coefficient icon. Again, select the 0.5 icon and click OK. Please note, both of these buckling length coefficients should be set to non-sway structure. When finished, click Save. Now, with the new column type selected in the RC Member dialog, click within the Lines Members field. Then, in the Object Inspector window, right-click Columns and click Select All. Click again within the Lines Members field to update the field with the column numbers. Click Apply. To verify the columns have been assigned to the correct type, you can view the member types with color codes. First, from the Views toolbar, select Section Shapes. Then, from the text menu, select View Display. From the Display dialog, select Members, and then select Member Types Legends by Colors. Click Apply, and then click OK to close the dialog. You can also verify the type definition by viewing a table. Again, from the text menu, select View Tables. From the Tables dialog, select Members, and then click OK. A table displays where column type assignments display. Close the table. From the text menu, select Design, Required Reinforcement of RC Beams, Columns Options, Calculation Parameters. In the dialog, select Standard to inspect the calculation parameters. In the Calculation Parameter Definition dialog, in the General tab, the concrete parameters are specified. Steel is defined in both the Longitudinal Reinforcement tab and the Transversal Reinforcement tab. After verifying the specifications, close the dialog. Back in the Calculations Parameters dialog, click in the Lines Bars field to activate it, and then, in the Object Inspector window, right-click Columns and click Select All. Click once more in the Lines Bars field to update the field with the column numbers. Click Apply and close the dialog. Next, from the text menu, select Design, Required Reinforcement of RC Beams, Columns Options, Calculations. The Calculations dialog displays. In the Code Combinations group, select LLS and SLS. Click Calculate. The time it takes for the calculations to process depends on the structure and code combinations, along with other factors. When it is complete, the Calculations Report dialog displays. To inspect the results further, from the text menu, select Design, Required Reinforcements of RC Beams, Columns Options, Table RC Member Reinforcement. This displays a table of each member with reinforcements. Applying and calculating reinforcements for columns is a highly customizable process that can be verified in multiple steps.